Hello, everybody. Today we are going to begin our World Religions unit. We're going to start talking about the three main Western religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And we will begin with Judaism. But today we're going to just talk a little bit about why we study religion. And so we're going to read through this article together, and we're going to annotate it as well. So once you're done annotating it, then you are going to submit it. On the side over here, as you can see, there's a place for notes and questions. So you can add additional things on here. And if you have questions, you can add them on there and maybe even answer them as you go. But we're just going to quickly annotate this. And there's also a video about the religions that we're going to watch today as well. So, why study religion? Whether you consider yourself a religious person or not, or whether you think religion has played a positive or negative role in history, it is an undeniable fact that from the beginning of time, humans have engaged in activities that we now call religion, such as worship, prayer, and rituals marking important life passages. Moreover, religions have always asked fundamental questions such as, what is the true meaning of life? What happens to us after death? And how do we explain human suffering and injustices? So, the important parts is that it's undeniable that from the beginning of time, we have engaged in religion. Humans have engaged in religion. Human understanding. The answers different religions, traditions give to these important questions are many and varied and often contradictory. But the questions themselves are ones which humans throughout time have grappled and probably will continue to grapple with into the indefinite future. Thus, one of the first reasons to study religion is simply to deepen our understanding of others and ourselves. So, one of the first reasons to study religion is to deepen our understanding of others and ourselves. Cultural influence. We also study religion in order to learn about how different aspects of human life, such as politics, science, literature, art, law, and economics, have been and continue to be shaped by changing religious notions of, for example, good and evil, images of the deity and the divine, salvation and punishment, and etc. By studying different religious doctrines, rituals, stories, and scriptures, we can also come to understand how different communities of believers, both past and present and East and West, have used their religions traditions to shape, sustain, and transform themselves. So, we study religion to learn more about different aspects of human life and how they have been and continue to shape, how it continues to be shaped by changing religious notions. And we can understand how different communities of believers have used their religious traditions to shape, sustain, and transform themselves. Global insight. More than ever before, the world we live in is both multicultural and global. It is multicultural and global. We no longer need to travel across the ocean to visit a Hindu temple or an Islamic mosque or to meet a Sikh or Jain. The chances are that you can find a temple or mosque within miles of where you live, and it is almost certain that you will meet someone from any and all of these religious traditions on campus or on the street. This makes it even more essential that we cultivate our ability to understand and interpret other people's religious traditions. And so that's kind of the, main idea here, is that you're just trying to understand where other people are coming from. And you're trying to learn about the history of these different religions that have shaped different parts of the world. Because it is, this Global Insight paragraph is talking about how close to home it is. There are different religions everywhere now. Interdisciplinary learning. The academic study of religion is inherently multidisciplinary. This is from a university, so it's telling them that it's reflected in their program at Washington University, which draws faculty from different disciplines in the humanities and the social sciences, such as history, anthropology, literature, art, and political science. Studying religion thus provides you an opportunity to learn about a range of disciplinary approaches and, even more importantly, the connections and linkages among them. In this way, studying religion invites us all to think in more multidisciplinary and integral way about the world and our place in it. And so from this, obviously they're talking about their university, but Bloomington is a very diverse community. There are, people of different backgrounds everywhere in Bloomington, and so that can be related. And so we're going to highlight this sentence here about how it provides an opportunity to learn about a range of disciplinary approaches. And we're going to make a note over here as well about Bloomington being a diverse community. Even our class has a diverse community of people from different backgrounds, from different religions, different countries. So Bloomington's diverse community can guide us the opportunity to see and understand others' perspectives. So what can you do with a major or minor in religious studies, or what can you do from studying religion? The study of religion helps you to learn how to think critically, listen empathetically, and speak thoughtfully and write clearly. And so these are valuable life skills: to think critically, listen empathetically, speak thoughtfully, and write clearly. Those are things that you'll use throughout your lifetime. All skills that'll be of great use no matter what you do in your life. It'll also help you to better live and work in our increasingly diverse society and global world. Students of religion go on to careers in a wide variety of fields such as teaching, medicine, social service, law, journalism, international business, diplomacy, and of course religious professions of various kinds. So we live in an increasingly diverse society and global world. And so it's important to think about how other people view the world and their perspectives through religion. Up here, it says to create a definition for religion. I want you to create your own definition in your own words. So go ahead and take your time to do that. And then once you're finished annotating, if you want to make your own additional notes on the side or ask any questions that you may have, you can go ahead and do that now, and then you'll submit this on today's assignment link as well. And that is the main lesson for today. So make sure you're watching all of your videos that we are posting, and I will see you soon.